So today's job is to repair this manhole cover. We're going to take it right out and put a new one in. Right, so I'm going to drop this board down inside the hole to catch the rubble when I break out the old manhole. Put some screws in so I can lift the board out later. This just gives me something to grab hold of to get the board out. So that's going to go down in there. So I've marked around the outside here where the new one's going to go. So I'm now going to grind that out and gun it out and get ready to set the new one in. So the next thing to do is to get some SBR on here. Just helps the new cement stick to the old concrete. It just seals it up. Right, that will seal that up and help the fresh cement stick to the old. Right, so that's the frame all in place. Next thing to do is to put the lid in and then fill it full of concrete. Right, so this is the final step. Let's get some concrete in here and smooth it out, and that'll be job done. This is a really strong mix. It's a 3-in-1. Well, that's another job done.